Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best portable car jack is probably one of the most underrated tools every car owner should have in their trunk. Imagine being stranded on the side of the road with a flat tire and no way to lift your car. Today, we're diving deep into the world of portable car jacks, exploring their features, ease of use, and safety aspects to help you choose the perfect one for your needs. Get ready to say goodbye to roadside stress and hello to effortless tire changes. Number 5. Torin T101521 1.5-ton Scissor Lift Jack. Introducing the big red Torin T10152 Scissor Lift Jack. This is a compact and rugged jack designed for your car. It's perfect as a replacement or a handy extra in your trunk. This jack boasts a 1.5-ton, 3,000 pounds, capacity, making it suitable for various vehicles. It provides the lifting power you need for your car maintenance. With a lifting range from 4 to 1/8 to 15 to 1/8 inches, it offers versatility. It can handle a wide range of lifting needs for different vehicles. It's engineered with drop-forged alloyed steel for quality and durability. This construction ensures that it can withstand the rigors of regular use. The jack features an extra-wide base for added stability and strength. This design ensures safety and provides a solid foundation during operation. Equipped with a one-piece handle, it delivers on-the-spot quick response and speed. This feature allows for easy and efficient operation. What we like. This jack's compact design makes it perfect for stowing in your trunk. Its durable steel construction ensures it can handle the job, and the wide base provides added stability. If you're looking for a reliable and space-saving solution for roadside emergencies, this is a great choice. What people say. The jack is easy to use. It is very convenient to use. The product works as advertised. Number 4. E-HEELP 5-ton Electric Car Jack Kit. Introducing the E-HEELP Electric Car Jack. This powerful hydraulic jack can lift vehicles up to 5 tons in under 2 minutes. It's designed to make lifting your car easier and faster. This car jack can be powered 2 ways, using a 12V DC power socket or your car's cigarette lighter. It's compatible with most vehicles, including sedans, SUVs, and trucks. You can even use it on motorcycles. The built-in tire inflator takes the hassle out of flat tires. It has a tire pressure display so you can monitor the pressure while inflating. Now, you can say goodbye to those troublesome tire changes. This portable jack is perfect for your garage, road trips, or emergency situations. It's waterproof, so you can use it in the rain. Plus, the LED lights help you see your work area, even at night. The jack has an overload protection system that stops lifting when it reaches its maximum height or weight. The cross lines on the head provide extra grip while lifting. It's designed with your safety in mind. We offer a money-back guarantee. If you're not satisfied, you can request a replacement. Customer satisfaction is our top priority. Contact us for a solution. What we like. This electric jack offers the convenience of hydraulic power with the added benefit of a built-in tire inflator. The overload protection system ensures safety during use. If you have a busy lifestyle and value efficiency, this jack will save you time and effort. What people say. The jack is easy to use. It is a great product for roadside emergencies. The product is compact, easy to store in the car. Number 3. Scissor Jack Car Jack, 1.5 ton. This scissor jack makes adjusting your vehicle's height simple and quick. It features a handy ratchet handle and a smooth spindle, making tire changes easier than ever. Changing tires is now a breeze with this tool. The design allows for easy operation, saving you time and effort when you need it most. The solid base plate ensures a secure footing, providing stability while you work. Its strong metal construction is built to withstand high pressure. Made of steel, this jack is built to last. It's corrosion resistant, ensuring it remains reliable for years to come. The ratchet handle is designed to save your strength. It's a stable and reliable tool for any situation. With a lift range from 4.09 inches to 15.15 inches, it provides the versatility you need. It is suitable for a wide range of vehicles. What we like. Featuring a ratchet handle, this jack makes tire changes a breeze. Its stable design and corrosion-resistant build ensure longevity. If you like a simple, easy-to-use jack that prioritizes user-friendliness, this is the one for you. What people say. The jack is easy to use. It is a great product for roadside emergencies. The product is compact and easy to store in the car. Number 2. IMAYCC 2-ton car jack kit. This car jack has a lifting range from 3.9 to 15.2 inches, and can handle a maximum load of 2 tons. It's designed to easily lift both low-chassis sedans and high-body SUVs. The net weight is only 4.84 pounds. Featuring a new bidirectional mechanical design, this tire jack lifts both sides simultaneously. This means you'll need 90% less effort to lift your vehicle, saving you valuable time when changing a tire. The jack features a thickened and enlarged base plate for secure footing. Reinforced rolled edges and heavy-duty steel construction ensure it can withstand high pressure. This design makes it more stable and reliable. This portable 2-ton scissor jack is suitable for most vehicles, including sedans, SUVs, and MPVs. It's a great tire change kit to have in your vehicle for emergencies. The kit includes a 2T scissor jack, a ratchet wrench, a lug wrench, gloves, and a storage bag. All the tools fit perfectly in your trunk or garage, ready for any emergency tire replacement. It's a complete package. What we like. This jack's bidirectional lifting design reduces the effort needed to lift your vehicle. It comes with all the necessary tools and offers a wide lifting range. If you are looking for a complete kit that makes tire changes easier and more efficient, you should consider this. What people say. The jack is easy to use. It is very convenient to use and easy to store. The product is well built and sturdy. Number 1. Electric Car Jack Kit 5-Ton 12V. This kit includes everything you need for roadside emergencies. It features a 5-ton electric car jack, a tire inflator, and an impact wrench, all in one convenient case. It's fully automatic and saves you time and energy. The electric jack can lift up to 5 tons in under 2 minutes, reaching a height of 6.1 to 20.86 inches. It comes with 2 detachable heads, making it suitable for various vehicles like sedans, SUVs, and trucks. The built-in 150 psi tire inflator has a digital pressure display. This 12V air compressor inflates tires at 35 Lmin. It also includes multiple adapter heads for inflating bicycles, balloons, and toys. The kit includes a 12V DC electric impact wrench with a 1/2-inch drive. It comes with 2 sleeves in 4 sizes, suitable for most vehicles, with a maximum torque of 420 Nm. With a built-in LED light, it illuminates your work area in the dark. Whether you're at home, on a road trip, or facing an emergency, this portable car lift is an indispensable tool. What we like. This electric car jack kit includes an impact wrench and a tire inflator, making it a complete mobile repair solution. It's fully automatic and saves time and energy. If you are looking for a comprehensive, all-in-one solution for roadside emergencies, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The jack is easy to use. It is very convenient to use. The jack is very stable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.